See, last class we discussed up to here. Next, go to the file or insert. In this insert we have features. Okay, in these features we have extra here. One is cavity, second one is join, combine, intersect, split, move or copy, delete or keep body. Next here we have flex. This flex is important. How means, for example, I am creating one strip. This is my strip. I need to mention dimension at here. For example, 500. And this side I have 80. Finish. Features, extrude boss or base. You can mention thickness 10 mm. Okay, now go to the file, insert. Okay, features. Here we have flex. Now we have highlighted. Just you can select this flex and select this body. What happened here? Asking how much of twisting you need. Here we have degree. Just you can increase this one. What happened? You are taking bending, not a twisting. Why? Here we have 4 options. Just you can see bending, twisting, tapering, stretching. Now we are applying bending. This is 90 degree. If you need 180 degree, you will get like this. This is 180 degree. If you need this type of bends, you can use. Okay. Now for example, I don't need bending. Just you can come back to twist. Okay. Twist condition 180 degree means you will get like this. If you need more, you can mention like this. For example, I am mentioning 500. See, like this. This type of condition applicable this one. Okay, just you can do okay once. We can see in gates condition this type. Okay, but I don't need this one. Come back once. Again I need to do twist. Just go here, insert, features. Here we have twist flex option. You can select your body again. Next I need twisting again. Okay, now I need only 200 mm twisting. I need 150 this side and 150 this side. Here we have trim plane 1. Okay, you can select 150 here. Now trim plane 2. This side also we need 150. Next twisting. Here you can mention 500. See, you are getting like this. We can mention like this also if you need. Very easily we can create like this. Okay, now clear now this one. Next, come back. I need a tapper. You can select, go to file, insert, features, flex, select this body. Okay, if you need to move like this, trim plane 2. Okay, now here we have tapering or twisting na. You can come back once. I need tapering. You can select tapering here. You can increase your tapper. You are getting like this. Based on your trim plane, you will get like this. But if you don't need this one, you can close. Once again you can try, insert, features, flex, select this body. Here we have tapering now. Now you can try. You will get normal tapper based on your center. See this one. When you move this line, automatically taking that is the center point. But here you can mention this is a normal position like this. Clear? If you need stretching, you can select this one. You can increase. Stretching means increasing this edge. You can increase like this. And if you need to increase here, you can increase. This is called stretching. Okay, now we completed our flex. This is our flex. For example, this one I need to bend. How can we bend? Now we can see how can we bend. See now, For example, I need to bend this one. How can we bend? Now we can see. For example, go here. Here we have features, flex. You can select this one. Here we have bending. Now I need 90 degrees bending. Just I need 150 here and 150 here. Here you can use twist bend. No? You can mention here 90 degree bend. See, this is our 90 degrees bend. Is it okay? You can mention, or otherwise you can mention 200. Here also 200. This is 90 degrees bend. Just you can do once. You will get like this. Your shapes, sheet metal shapes we have now. That type of conditions. Okay, this one. Now clear na? Next, you can select this flex, delete. Now we can try one example for this one. You can select, delete. See, I need to create this one. Just you can see, first of all you need to create like this cylinder on top. Just you can take one circular portion here. How much is there? 31.5, 31.5. In middle we have 12. Here we have 1 radius. Here we have 1 radius. Here we have chamfer 0.5. Now you can go to Solidworks, select this one, go here. Now you can draw one sketch here to here, here, here. Now you can mention this one. How much? 31.5. Next, this one 6 I'm taking. Okay, now you can mention this point here. We need 0. Okay, now here diameter 6 and one diameter 4. Now I can mention here to here first, small dimension 2, here to here 3. Okay, now you can go here center line. You can select this one, delete. You can select this all, do mirror. Where is mirror? This one, mirror about. Delete. Okay. Now you can take center line, finish. Here we have revolve option. You can select this one, then you can do okay. Now you can apply chamfers fillers for this. For example, I need fillet first. Here we have fillet. You can select here 1. Okay, next chamfer 0.5. You can select here. Here you can mention 0.5. See, now we completed our rod. Now this rod I need to bend at this portion. Just see here, here to here. Okay, now that's why you can select, go to the file. Here we have insert, go to features, flex. Now you can select this body. and here we need to mention trim plane at 31.5, and here also 31.5. okay, and 90 degrees pen. Finish now. Now you can see we have our bend like this. See. If you need front view, you can go here. This one. If you need rotate, you can select this body and you can rotate if you need rotation. Okay, now clear this one. Okay, this is our model now. Now clear up to here. Next we have one more. Go to file, insert. In these features we have here intersect one, already we completed intersect in above. We have split, at the same time move or copy. We are using sometimes this one, move or copy. You can select this one, move or copy. First of all you need to do copy or move. You can select this body. Okay, when you selected, you can increase into 2. okay, and you can select your line, for example this line, point, or otherwise you can increase in x direction. These all are x direction. How many units? For example, you take camshafts condition, we have one below, one up, that direction, like that type of condition applicable. How many number of copied items you need, that much of you can create easily, like this. See, if you need to copy this body, you can use this one. That purpose we are using move or copy body. Next, go here, insert, features. We have delete or keep body. If you need to delete, if you need to keep, you can mention this one. Okay. Next, keep, delete. I need to delete. See, deleted body. But here we have that icon, deleted body. You can go here. Here we have. See. Okay, just for normal deleting purpose. See, again you will get this type of condition. You can go here, insert, features, just go to once delete body and this one move or copy we completed. Next, split means dividing. Simply we say that if you need to split, you can select this one, and where you need to do split. First of all, we need one splitting surface here. For example, I am taking front plane. Control 8. Now you can create one splitting. Like this. Finish. Now extrude. If you need surface, you can select that one, or otherwise you can go with surface. That is also applicable. Just close this one. Here we have surface. Now you can select this extrude surfaces. You can mention in mid plane. Then you can do okay. Now I need to do split this one. How can we do split? Just you can go here, insert, we have features, and here we have split. Trim tools. Okay. All bodies, selected bodies. Okay, if you need to selected bodies, cut bodies, body 1 or body 2. I need to cut body 1, this one. See, then you can do okay. Now this is separate body, this is separate body, divided into 2 parts. Just you can see. If you need to select, you can select. This is separate body. Now you can select it, and this is separate body. Okay, divided into, simply we say that break lines na, same as well as here splitting bodies. If you need to split your bodies into 2 parts, that condition you can use this feature, split body. Okay, if you need to hide this one, you can select, go here, hide. See, now we have 2 bodies. Now you can select any one. Okay. This is our split body. Now you can go here we have insert, go to feature, next combining means you can select this body and this body, just you can do OK. Now this is completely one body. Okay, if you have any two bodies separately, that bodies converted into one single body purpose, you can use combine option. For example, if you need to divide it into two bodies, one body you need to divide it into two bodies, that condition you can use split body. For example, if you need to remove anything, you can use subtract and a comment. That is your requirement. Based on your requirement, you can use that features. Okay, already intersect, you know, split, you know, move or copy, you know, delete or copy, you know. At the same time, next, where is that? Combine, na? Here we have combine. Two bodies condition, it will highlight. Two bodies condition, it will highlight. Now we have single body, na? Single body condition, it will not, it won't highlight. Okay, that's why you can remember this one. Okay, now we completed our entire